If you want to whiten teeth in Fotor quickly and make your photo look brighter, cleaner, and more professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to whiten teeth in Fotor step by step, and I'll also share a few tips so the result still looks natural and realistic. This is perfect for portraits, selfies, social media photos, profile pictures, or any image where you want a better smile without overdoing the edit. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your photo inside the Fotor editor. Once your image is loaded, look at the far left sidebar menu and click on Beauty. This is where Fotor keeps all of its portrait retouching tools, including the one we need for teeth whitening. After that, scroll down through the beauty options until you find the mouth section. Inside that section, click on Teeth Whitening. As soon as you select it, you'll see a brush-based editing tool appear, which means you can paint the whitening effect directly onto the teeth in your photo. Before you start brushing, take a moment to adjust the brush size slider. This is important because you want the brush to match the size of the teeth you're editing. If the brush is too large, it can spill onto the gums or lips. If it's too small, the process will take longer than it needs to. So use a size that gives you good control and precision. Next, move over to the brush intensity slider. For most photos, somewhere around 30 to 50% works best because it gives you a clean white smile without making the teeth look fake or overly edited. If your photo is already well lit, a lower intensity may be enough. If the teeth are more yellow or dull, you can increase it slightly, but always try to keep it natural. Now, it's time to apply the effect. Carefully brush directly over the teeth in your image. Try to cover the full tooth area evenly so the whitening looks smooth and consistent. If you make a small mistake and brush outside the teeth, don't worry. Just click the eraser icon, which you'll find next to the brush icon at the top of the panel, and clean up the edges. This is really helpful for keeping the edit neat around the lips and gums. Take your time here, especially if you're working with a close-up portrait where details really matter. Once you're happy with the whitening effect, click Apply to confirm your changes. Fotor will lock in the edit, and your teeth will now look brighter and cleaner in the final image. At this point, you can save or export your edited photo and use it anywhere you need. And that's how you whiten teeth in Fotor in just a few simple steps. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to improve portraits without needing advanced editing skills. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy photo tutorials and photo editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.